Hi, good morning. So I'm doing the analysis for Nifty, that is for 17th May 2024, to understand what is the market price action expected to do in the coming days. All right, and this is the analysis that I do in terms of price action to give me a broader direction of the market. So let's start beginning with how the Nifty is acting. If you have seen my previous videos, I have already mentioned, so this is the level that we were watching out for, which is the 22,000 mark. Okay, from here the market, there is Nifty took a good support and it has bounced higher. All right, so the price action looks pretty strong here, and this is a zone that we need to watch out for. This is a zone which is acting as a strong resistance level, that is 22,800 level. All right, and 22,000 acted as a strong support level. So the momentum seems to be towards the upside. Okay, and this is expected to continue in terms of price action, but you never know, it's a market. Whenever things change, we have to change our view. So 22,400 is the market trading at. Okay, expecting the price to move higher in the coming days, and there could be a lot of volatility also, because there is general elections results days are approaching near. Voting is happening in phases, so we have to wait and watch and be cautious and trade with a good risk management, a strong risk management. So the Nifty broader direction looks towards the upside. So let's understand a few stocks which I am looking at for swing trading. So the first stock that I'm looking for swing trading is Bandhan Bank. Okay, this is one of the stocks that I'm looking at. So what's happening with Bandhan Bank? So let's understand that. So now if you see here, the price took a resistance around this level. Now here it is around this support level. Okay, so the price is around this support level. The only thing we need to be mindful of, it has got a earnings. All right, so this is the earnings date that we're looking at in Bandhan Bank. Okay, so today is the earnings date. So you got to be mindful of this particular earnings day, which is today. All right, so we need to wait and watch what is high, what might be the earnings in terms of Bandhan Bank. So there could be a lot of volatility in this particular stock. Okay, and the trade that if we are looking at looking at a long trade, then we are looking for a target around this particular level, 190 to 192 level. So this is one of the stocks that I'm looking at. The next stock that I'm looking at is Torrent Power. All right, so Torrent Power is another stock that I'm looking at in terms of a long position here. So what's happening with the stock? So let's understand what's happening with the stock here. So if you see the stock, okay, is a kind of a relaxing here. It's kind of in a sideways move that you're looking at, in terms of it has taken a support around this particular level, where earlier it was a resistance level, if you see here, and the price made a big move higher from this particular level, took a support, again big move higher. So here it's taking the support level. Okay, and this is the level you need to watch out for. So when do I initiate the trade? That's very important. So I just don't initiate the trade when the price reaches support level. I need to see a kind of a price action happening, price action showing me that okay, there is a kind of a buying or auctioning happening in this particular stock. So we'll have to wait and watch for this particular level here. Okay, you see here this particular stock has taken a support again around this particular level, and we need to watch out for the price to move above this 1350 level. Okay, 1350 level, if the price moves out, then we will be able to see the auctioning happening towards the higher side in this particular stock. As I said in my previous videos, again I'm repeating it, I don't look at the targets. The price the targets are taken as and when they come. Okay, and the profits are booked as and when the market tells me to do so. The next stock that I'm looking at, the stock is Birla Corporation. So Birla Corporation is the stock that I'm looking at in terms of the price action again. So what is expected to happen? So if you see here, this level has been acting as a good strong support level in Birla Corp. Okay, and the price is actually, if you see this small red candlestick, is showing that there is a price squeeze happening here. Okay, so this is the level which might push this. Okay, the buyers might come in and push this price towards a higher side here. So what are we looking at? When do I initiate a trade? I don't initiate a trade right away. So when do I initiate the trade on Birla Corp. That's very important that you are looking at. So when do I initiate the trade is what you need to understand. Okay, that's very, very important. You just don't initiate the trade as and when the price action reaches support or resistance. You need to see the buying happening, the auctioning happening. The price initiation should happen above this particular level. You see this particular level, this is happening. Okay, this is the resistance zone on a smaller time frame that you're looking at. The price is, if the price breaks out, okay, it breaks above this particular level and the auctioning continues towards the higher side, that's the when you need to initiate the trade on the long side. So the price action is very, very important. If you need to understand, if you understand the price action, it helps you to see what is the fight, okay, happening and who is winning this particular battle. It does not mean that always you're going to be on the right side. Okay, most of the time you will be on the wrong side, but you need to understand that you need to keep your losses small and the rewards bigger. Okay, you will have a series of small losses, but your rewards will take care of themselves. So what you need to do is you need to look for a strong risk management wherein you take a small losses, a good risk management that is in place, and then you leave it to the market, because after drawing the charts, after initiating the trend, you have no control over it. All you need to do is let the price action do its part, let the market do its part. All right, so let's understand this, it's very important. All right, until then, next video. Thank you so much.